Hello, my name's Harriet Bunning. I'm the beef genetics expert from AHDB, and I'm here today with James talking to him about his cattle and how he can use national beef evaluations to make some of his breeding decisions. The bull in the field here is Wizard.
Yes.
He's a Stabiliser bull.
Yeah.
Have you had him for a while?
We've had Wizard for 3 or 4 years now, yeah.
Great. Are you pleased with his calves? You're happy with
Yeah,
his
really
working?
good calves, yeah. They're really good calves, they grow well, they do what we want him to do, so.
Exactly. And have you kept some of his daughters in your herd?
We've got some of his daughters in the herd now. Some of them are sort of second calvers, and we've got some heifers as well that have gone to the bull this time.
I looked Wizard up in our national beef evaluations for you, and
Yeah.
I've got his results here. If you want to do it yourself, you can just log onto the website, stick his name or his ear tag in, and it would give you the same
Brilliant.
results. So we've got traits, things like the carcass traits. So if you're finishing his calves, I guess days to slaughter is an important one for you.
It is, yeah. We don't want them hanging around too long.
Great. And then carcass weight and Europe grade, so both the fat and conformation, and I guess that determines what you get paid for those calves.
Yeah, it does, yeah, because we want to make sure that we're hitting that R4L with our calves, so having that is definitely a consideration for us.